Today is June 28, 2008. Eto, kagigising lang ng aking apo. Ayan, no. Bukas 11 months old na siya. So, ito na lang ang araw para 10 months old na siya. Bilis-bilis ng araw. Look at that face. Nanonood na naman siya ng TV niya. Oh, ayan. Dito siya natutulog sa nanay niya. Kasi, para mas madali para kay Missy daw. Kesa pag-iyak pupunta pa si Missy sa kwarto niya. So, dito na lang. Ayan. Sige, drink your milk. Drink your milk. Milky, milky, milk. What again? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to go to your room and play? Why are you screaming? Oh, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? Say hi. Hi, everybody. I love you. I'm going to be 11 months old. Kita nyo? Grabe, oh. Ayan. Dito ko lang siya nabibideo ng close-up Kasi pagka naglalakad na siya, my gosh, ang likot-likot. And look at you. Why are you screaming? What do you want again? Maybe you want to walk in your room again, no? Look. I say, ba. Say, Jordan, huy, tingin ka lang dito. Oh, ayan. Ay, ang sungit. Kagigising lang. Kadedede lang. Kakapupo lang. Hirap ng palitan pag nagpupupo. Ang likot-likot. Oh, there you go. Okay. Are you sleepy again? Or what? What are you trying to do? You're trying to get my cell phone. You're trying to get my cell phone. Arsus? Where are you? What are you doing? Oh, there you go. Say, peekaboo. Peekaboo, Jordan. Peekaboo, Jordan. Peekaboo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Bye-bye. Bye-bye again. Jordan. Okay, I'll take your video in your room. Ikaw talaga. Ikaw talaga, SB ka. Spoiled ba? Spoiled B. Okay, we'll go to the other room, to your room. Again. I know, I will prepare your food first so that there in the other room you will eat. Okay, say bye-bye. 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 Bye. Say bye. So, nandito na naman kami sa kwarto niya. Ayan. Wala na namang gagawin kundi maglalakad, malikot. Ay, nako, paiba-iba. Ko alam ko ano mga aktibidades nito. What? Sing or play or what? In a few minutes, I will feed you your lunch. Okay, because it's already, what time is it? 12:30. So, I will feed you your lunch. Pupo ka na, kaya okay lang, di ba? Hoy, Jordan. What are you playing with? What's that? What's that? What's that toy? Jesus. Ayan na. Tomorrow is your birthday, Jordan. So we'll sing. Happy birthday, Jordan. Happy birthday, Jordan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jordan. You're 11 months old tomorrow. Okay? Tonight is Manny Pacquiao's bout with Diaz. I hope he wins again. Okay? Ano ba yan nasa bib mo? What does it say in your bib? What does it say in your bib? What does it say in your bib? Mommy rocks. Oh, mommy rocks daw. Ano naman, di mo na naman alam kung anong gagawin mo. Jordan, what are you doing again? Natataranta ka. Natataranta ka? Saan ba? Ano ba yung tinataranta mo? Ano ko ba? Hoy! Face the video. Uy, para pag napanood mo to, pagtatawanan mo yung sarili mo. Pag may esep ka na, esep. Likot-likot. Uy, Anong sabi mo? Anong sabi mo? What did you say? Katalikod ka naman eh. Look at Mamita. Jordan, look. Oh, gaya mo ko. Gayaan mo ako. Look, Jordan. Jordan. Look, Jordan. Gaya mo ako. Gaya mo, Mamita. Look. Ayan. Yay! Jordan. Ano yan? Itsy bitsy spider. Yay! Itsy bitsy. Favorite song niya to. Sing, Jordan. Sing! Ay, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung lapad ng paa. Yan. Yan ang paa ni Jordan. Na ang lapad.